Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect Zapier with Salesforce for LinkedIn contact updates step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Zapier account. Click on the Make a Zap button at the top of the dashboard. In the trigger search bar, type and select LinkedIn. Choose the specific trigger event you want, such as new connections or new updates. Click on Continue to proceed. Now, connect your LinkedIn account to Zapier. Authorize Zapier to access your LinkedIn data by following the prompts. Once connected, click on Continue to set up your trigger options. Test the trigger to ensure that Zapier successfully pulls in data from LinkedIn. Next, search for Salesforce in the Action section of the Zap. Select Salesforce from the drop-down menu. Choose the appropriate action event, such as Create Record or Update Record. Click on Continue and connect your Salesforce account to Zapier. Authorize access to your Salesforce account by completing the necessary steps. After connecting, click Continue to set up the action details. Map the fields from LinkedIn to Salesforce, ensuring the correct alignment of data. Review your field mappings to ensure everything is set up correctly. Once satisfied, click on Continue to proceed. Test the action to confirm that LinkedIn data updates successfully in Salesforce. After the test is complete, review the results. If everything looks good, click on Turn on Zap to enable the connection. Your Zap is now live, allowing for automatic updates from LinkedIn to Salesforce. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.